Hi you guys! So today I'm going to be showing you a subscription kit that I'm a part of. It's for quilters and I got one of my boxes in just recently, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so obviously you can see I already took a peek because I'm very impatient and I got it late last night. So spoiler, everything's amazing in it. So this one is jam-packed. And I was so excited when I first opened it to see that I have another jelly roll from them. Isn't this beautiful? The colors are so fun and I think it'll be perfect for quilting in the spring. So I am excited about that because it is a ton of fabric in this and it's all floral yellows and oh gosh, it's really beautiful. And then in this subscription, you always get some other goodies that are really helpful for sewers and quilters. So this one came with some blue thread, and their thread has always been really, really good thread. So I'm excited about that. And then this is awesome because I just throw my pins next to me and they could fall on the floor and stuff. And I've always said to myself, I need to get something to hold my pins, and now I don't have to because it came in my kit. So it's magnetic, it says it's super strong hold, and those pins that are already inside there have not moved. So I am really excited about this. And it looks like the bottom is a little bit rubberized, so it probably won't move around a lot either. So awesome. And then I got a Busy Bee notebook. Isn't that cute? And I think it's kind of funny because the last kit that I got was Be All Bee inspired. So I'll show you more about that, but I was super excited to get a notebook because I've actually been coming up with a ton of ideas for quilts and different things because I started a blog. And now I can take notes, keep this in my purse when I come up with ideas. So I am happy about that. Now, I know I showed you guys the Annie's quilt box that I get, and that one just comes with fabric and a pattern. So this one is a little different in that it comes with other supplies, and that is why this one does cost a bit more. I think the Annie's is around $20 or $25 and this one is $55. So there is a price difference, but you get a lot more stuff and you still get a pattern each time. So the pattern that came with this is of course for jelly rolls. It's called Gemini, and then it gives you the instructions on one side. It looks really easy to piece together, so I think that'll be a lot of fun. And then you get all the information about your box. So it'll tell you what inspired it. It'll tell you different things you'll need for whatever pattern that came. And then it'll give you a little more info about each product that came in your box and show you the value. So like I said, this box is $55, but the value is $91.55. So it'll tell you what the price of each item was. So I love this box a lot. It's really fun getting extra supplies that I may not have thought about or have been wanting to try but just haven't remembered to purchase because I forget everything. So I'm going to show you first the very first kit that I got from them because this is my third box. So let's set that to the side. And the first kit that I got came with a jelly roll as well. And you can see it was a lot of fun fabric and I've already used some of it. And the pattern that actually came with this box was a Quilt As You Go tote bag. And it was so awesome because it came with everything I needed to make the tote bag. So it came with the batting and the batting for the straps. So it was super, super helpful, and the pattern was so straightforward. And these colors in this jelly roll, gorgeous. So I am obsessed with this box. I think it is a lot of fun. So I still have the box that one came in. And, oh no, I don't have the box that one came in. Sorry, because that was my first one. So I don't remember the supplies or extra goodies that came with that one. But my second box is actually the fabric that is on this quilt. It was all bee inspired. It was a layer cake and super, super, super cute. I mean, it is darling, darling fabric. So it's a layer cake, and I'll show you what all came as extra goodies in this one. So I got a rotary replacement blade with this one, and this quilt pattern book. It is a beehive quilt pattern design, and the layer cake, Be Joyful, was the layer cake name. And then I got some solid cotton silk finish, solid cotton thread in gold. Oh, sorry, I didn't have it in there. And then this cake mix recipe assortment. So it kind of gives you different ideas for piecing together your layer cake patterns. And it's called paper piecing, I guess. I have not tried it, but I am gonna look into it and see what that's all about. But this is the recipe book. I think it's really cute that it's called a cake mix recipe. And then it has all these different ideas and patterns. And like I said, I have not done paper piecing or tried anything of this, but yeah, so that is what came in that one also. And again, I don't remember what all came in the jelly roll one. So I feel like this is the one that had a necklace in it. It was like a little sewing machine, but I can't remember anything else. So anyway, I am obsessed with this box. I think it's a great value. Oh, and I didn't say, so you may have seen, but this one was valued at, is it gonna focus or not? $89.04. So I love it. I think it is definitely worth the value of what you pay. So again, thanks for stopping by my channel. I had so much fun going through all of my quilt kit subscription boxes that I have. I would highly recommend this one. I love it. I do like the other one as well, but I think this one is certainly a lot more fun because of all the items you get in it. So the pre-cut quilt box, I will put a link down below so that you guys can check it out if you want to. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.